Are you Chok? Yes, I'm Chok. Are you Pema? No, I'm not Pema. Who are you? I'm Chok. Are you Chok or Pema? I'm Chok. Are you students? Yes, we're students. Are you doctors? No, we're not doctors. Who are you? We're students. Are you students or doctors? We're students. Is she Thamo? Yes, she is Thamo. Is she Sonam? No, she isn't Sonam. Who is she? She's Thamo. Is she Thamo or Sonam? She's Thamo. Is he the leader? Yes, he's the leader. Is he foolish? No, he's not foolish. Who is he? He's the leader. Is he the leader or is he foolish? He's the leader. Is she a Westerner? Yes, she is a Westerner. Is she a Tibetan? No, she isn't a Tibetan. Who is she? She's a Westerner. Is she a Westerner or a Tibetan? She's a Westerner. Is she a doctor? Yes, she's a doctor. Is she a nurse? No, she isn't a nurse. Who's she? She's a doctor. Is she a doctor or a nurse? She's a doctor. Are they boys? Yes, they're boys. Are they girls? No, they're not girls. Who are they? They're boys. Are they boys or girls? They're boys. Are they nomads? Yes, they're nomads. Are they farmers? No, they're not farmers. Who are they? They're nomads. Are they nomads or farmers? They're nomads. Are they teachers? Yes, they're teachers. Are they nurses? No, they're not nurses. Who are they? They're teachers. Are they teachers or nurses? They're teachers.